Yeah, welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Alao Johnson, and if this is your first time of coming to this YouTube channel, I want you to subscribe to this channel so that I'm not going to miss my further videos. Every video I make on this channel are very important and very informative and educative. So I want you to subscribe right now to this channel. Thank you. Right, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money online doing online survey. Right, a lot of people are not familiar with what is called online survey, but I'm going to break everything down and I'm going to show you how you can get started with online survey. But before I proceed, I promise to make a video on how you can make money online. So I plan on creating 5 different videos on how you can make money online, 5 different ways of making money online. So the video is going to be segment by segment. This is the first segment, and in this video what I'm going to be showing you is how to make money online doing online survey. So if you are not familiar with online survey, so I would like to break it down to you so that you can know what online survey means. Right, so online survey is like a questionnaire that organizations dish out in order to get information, in order to get people's opinion about a particular thing, about a particular project, about a particular product, about a particular service. You understand? Okay, let me use this common brand. Let me use Apple as a case study. Let's say Apple want to get opinion of people in a particular region. Let's say Apple want to get opinion of people about their products in the United Kingdom. So they can actually walk up to a research platform like a survey platform. They can meet up with their admin and tell them that, oh, we want to get opinion of people about our products. Let's say about iPhone 15 Pro Max. They want to get people's opinion about it, how the service is going, in particular in UK. It can be in any country, so I'm just using UK as an example. So they can just go there and tell them. So they will do the required. They will give them the required information to proceed with that, and they are going to pay them. So now what this research platform will do is that they have their own platform where they distribute the questions to their users. You understand? So there are several survey platforms. I'm making this video in Nigeria, and yes, we have survey platforms in Nigeria. We have survey organizations in Nigeria where you can do survey online, but I don't really believe in them because I've done most of them and they failed me. So I don't recommend Nigerian survey platforms. I don't recommend. So I don't know where you are watching this video from. Wherever you are watching this video from, you can do your research on survey that are available in your country, right? So meanwhile, by the end of this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can do a survey, even though it is not available in your country. Even though it's not available in your country, I'm going to do that. And when I'm doing that, it's going to be a practical video. And by the end of this video, you should get that. And if I not mention it by the end of this video, you get a link to another video, other description of this video, right? On that video, you are going to get a practical step on how to set up your survey profile and all. And I will likely put some link for articles like write-ups that break them down, that shows the step-by-step guide on how to get started with online survey. Meanwhile, I already said you should do your research so that you can know the available survey that is available in your own region, in your own country. But at the same time, I'm going to say a lot of platforms. There are some platforms that they are scam. So there are some platform that after doing the survey, they will ask for further information and all. But in this video, I will be using just one platform, and this is a platform that I've used several times, and I've made a lot of money. It's likely I will attach the screenshot of my payments from this platform. I've made money on the platform. I've been on this platform for let's say a year now. So, and I've made good money on it. This platform, they pay in euro, although it's not Nigeria platform. It's not Nigeria. They don't accept Nigeria, but I will tell you how to go about it. So now, when you want to do online survey, let's say you want to make money with online survey, the first thing you need to do now is to locate the platform that you want to be doing online survey on. And I'm going to recommend the platform here by the end of this video. So once you locate it, you will look out for the country that they accept. If it's US, if it's UK, if it's Germany, if it's South Africa, whatever country. So you have those information and you will look for their payment method. Okay, this platform, what payment method do they use? Like, how do they pay their users? Some use PayPal, some use gift card, some use Bitcoin, some use other crypto like USDT, Tron, and all. You understand? But the one that is common, the most common one is PayPal and gift card. You understand? So the one I'm working with, that I told you is from Germany, they are paying with PayPal. Although they have other option, they have partial cards and all, but I only go for PayPal, right? So that is that. So once you already know the country you already know the country that those platforms accept. So all you just have to do is to look for maybe if it's possible, you read about them. Maybe you look for their reviews on the internet so that you can know how real they are, right? How real they are, right? So that is that for that. So once you already gather all the information you need to do, and now let's say you are in South Africa and the platform you want to work with now, they only accept people from UK or Germany. This is what you are going to do. I know a lot of people are not new to this particular information, but for the sake of those that does not know about it, so I would like to say it in this video. So in a situation whereby your country is not accepted on that platform, you can use VPN to do that. So in the video I'm going to attach this video, I'm going to recommend a VPN that I use, right? So it's not a must you use the VPN I use. You can look for another VPN that you believe, that you trust in. You understand? And there are some platforms that they don't accept VPN. There are some platforms that they don't accept VPN. There are some platforms that you can still use IP. I don't know if you are familiar with IP. I'm not too familiar with it, so I can't really talk much about that. But VPN, I'm familiar with VPN and I've been using VPN for a very long time now. So that situation now, you get the VPN and you put it on that location. Let's say the platform you see now, they only accept people from US. So you just put the VPN on the location US, maybe California, New York, whatever country, New Jersey, whatever state in the US you want to put it, right? So once you do that, you sign up. Most platforms, they do have app and some are websites. Like the one I'm working with now, they have app, they have website, but I mostly use their website, right? So if you want to use their app, you download their app. If you want to use the web, you download the web. So what you just have to do is to sign up, right? And the one thing is that what will guarantee your success in online survey is how you put your profile, how you fill your profile while registering, right? You know, there are some survey that the recruiter, they will say, oh, they are actually looking for maybe a doctor in the US. You understand? So that means if you are creating your profile, if you not put doctor in your profile, they might not bring that survey to you. You might not be able to do that survey. So in this video, in the description of this video, I'm going to put some articles that will guide you on how to create a profile and how to go about it, even if you are a newbie to survey. So I'll put some link on a blog post that will guide you on how to do that. So I don't need to talk much on that because you are going to get every information you need on those blog posts, right? So now let me go straight to the platform that I've been working with, right? So okay, before I go there, once you already download their app or you want to use their website, just sign up and fill the information correctly using the guideline in the article I'm going to attach to this video. So once you do that, so you just expect them to invite you for survey. Some platform they will have to invite you for survey before you can do it. While some, you can just log in and see plenty survey there and do it at your own convenience. You understand? So those platform divas. So you can do more research on that so that you can know the platform you want to go for. So now moving forward to this platform I've worked with. So the name of the platform is MYIYO. MYIYO. So that's the name of the platform .com. Yeah, it's a Germany platform, and I've been on the platform. I've recommended a lot of people to the platform, and they have made good money, right? So name of the platform is MYIYO. I've been on this platform now for a very long time. I've recommended a lot of people to the platform too, and they have made good money on the platform. So they are Germany platform, right? And they pay in PayPal, they pay in gift card, and they also pay in virtual credit card. You understand? So if you want to sign up on this platform, I'm going to drop a link that you're going to use to sign up, right? Then I will create a video, a step-by-step video on how to sign up, how to fill your profile, and all, and how to start up with. Make sure you are using the link I'm putting under this video, because if you use this link, you are going to get 500 points. Because those people they accumulate points, so you are going to be accumulating the points, right? So if you use the link under this video, they are going to give you 500 points, and that 500 points is like 0.5 euro, right? So the minimum, I think their minimum withdrawal is 20 euro. So if you and that's for the first time. Let's say you create the account now, and they are inviting you for survey, and you are doing it, right? Your first withdrawal is has to be 20 euro, but as time goes on, the second withdrawal is going to be 10. So once you have 10,000 points, right? If once you have 10,000 points, that's 10 euro, right? So, and the survey, most of the survey are soft, while some are not that soft. So you have to just learn how to do it well, right? So if you have questions, you can just drop in this video. I will reply to anyone that can reply to. So once you have that 10,000 points now, you can actually withdraw it through PayPal. So that's that for that. MYIYO is the name of the platform. Don't worry, I'll make a video, a step-by-step video on how to create the account, fill the profile, and start doing survey, right? So if you are new to survey, this information will be very useful for you, and if you are expert in survey too, this information will also be important for you. So I'll drop the link to the blog post under this video. You go check it, and the practical video on how to sign up on MYIYO, I'm going to create it and tag it under this video too. So I'll put the link to the video under this video, so you make sure you do that and start making money. I've made a lot of money on it. I will attach the screenshot of the money I've made to this video, so you can also start up with it. So in my next video, I'm going to do another segment of video on how to make money online using another way, like another method of making money online. Today is for survey, so the next one I don't know what it's going to be, but I'll be making video on that very soon. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do well to subscribe now so that you won't miss it by the time I upload the video. Thank you, and see you on the other end.